Hi, this is Kendra with WTI. Do you ever need to look at your phone while you're driving? Everybody does. How do you do it safely? Well, if you need to do it safely or you want to do it safely, this magnetic car phone holder from Coolpow is what you need in your life. I love this product. It's a nice low profile product, small enough to go in basically any area of your car. And it already comes with that 3M tape already attached to the back of the mount. So all you have to do is peel off that 3M tape before you mount it. It even comes with wet wipes that you can wipe down the surface before you attach it. And it comes with the magnet that you're going to put on your phone or your tablet, whatever you're going to be using. Already got that 3M tape attached to that as well. Perfect. And it comes with this little chart. So as you can see, it's mounted here in my car. It's really low profile. It's not going to stick out. And it works awesome. You just stick that phone right on there and you can adjust it to any way that you want. I highly recommend this magnetic car phone holder. This product really works and I can't recommend it enough for you and your family to be safe while you're driving. And that's my point of view.